Hey, welcome back to the channel. You know, I got a real problem with this motorhome. We were boondocking out in the LTVA in Quartzsite, and we stayed out there. We can stay out about 7 days, and we'll go dump, and then we'll come back. Well, when we were leaving, we went to go dump, and we had this god-awful smell of sewer all in the motorhome. So we tolerated it the best we could until we got to Tucson, and then I did some investigating, and I discovered what I think it is. And I'm a member of some Facebook groups, Bounder Facebook groups. And so I asked a question. I told them what was going on. So one person mentioned that he had the same problem with his motor. As he did his investigation, discovered that it was a pipe that leads into the black tank. It's just pressed in and had come up and out. And others told me where the black tank, where the Vacuflush system is. This works on a vacuum system, and then it's back here. There's a panel back there, and I'm going to take that panel off and see if this is the problem. I hope this is the problem. Supposedly it's behind this panel right here, and so that's what we're going to do, is take this panel off. Well, there you go. Well, okay, now you see what we got here. That's fiberglass insulation. And so what I'm going to do is go put some a long sleeve shirt on. I don't want to get fiberglass all over me. So I'll be right back. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go change shirts. I'll be back. You wait here. Well, I put some gloves on, and I put on a long sleeve shirt. It's a shirt I bought when we were in California, and I really enjoyed our stay there. Anyway, you can see here that this panel here is right above the propane tank on the 2016 Fleetwood Bounder 35K. And what we're looking for is the Vacuflush system that controls the toilet, that is part of the toilet system. And let's take this insulation out. It's fiberglass, and you don't want to get this stuff on you unless you just want to itch. Yep, there's the tank. Whoa. Whew. I guess I should have a mask on, actually. I'll be very careful here and not breathe. There it is. I see it coming into light. I can smell it too, y'all. It's not a pleasant smell. What does that stink? Well, I'm gonna have to get a light. It's kind of dark in there. Ooh, I need a breath of fresh air too. Oh boy. Well, I got her light, and I made a blunder. I didn't have the camera running when I installed my wedge in there. Let me explain to you what happened though, and you'll be able to see what I did here. Sorry about that. I thought it was running. I'm not going to undo it. If you can see right back in here. Okay, if you can look back in there, way back in there. Let's see if we can get this in there. Way back in there, you see it. You can see the material that splashed out of the tank. See, that connects to the tank. Wait a minute. You can see it back in there where it splashed out onto the pipe. See it back in there? Well, that means that that pipe has come out of the black tank. That's the black tank right in front of us. You see it. What I did, very simply, took a piece of 2x4 and I cut it into a wedge, and I jammed it in on top of the pipe, and it forced it back down in, I'd say at least an inch or two. It forced it back down in there. Now, that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to put a pin right behind that block to keep it from slipping out, because it's not going to go forward. It's too thick on this end. And then we're going to see if that'll fixes it. If it doesn't, then I'll have to do some advanced procedures like seal it and so forth. And I'll probably have to take all this out to do it. So anyway, well, I hope this helped some of you. You know, if you're having that problem, it could be many other problems. It could have been many other problems. It just so happened it was this the problem. And some people on Facebook, a Facebook group called Fleetwood Bounder. That's simple. And one of the people helped me out with this, and I'll put him up. Help me out with this. But that's it. That's definitely it. And so I think that block of wood is going to keep it held down. It's not going to be able to work itself back up again, and that should reseal it for sure. So anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for being here. Subscribe. We've got a lot of adventures coming up, and so thanks a lot. Oh my goodness. See you. Look at this sunset. There's nothing like Arizona sunset. There's the moon up there. Wow. What a sunset. Beautiful.